Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For this video, I'll show you guys how to create an AI-generated QR code image. So have you guys been seeing these really fancy looking QR codes that actually don't even look like QR codes at all? They look like normal images, but if you point your phone at them, surprise surprise, they're actually a QR code. In order to make one of these cool QR code images, we'll be using the website quickqr.art. So as you can see on this website, there are a ton of different options to choose from when making a QR code. It could be a QR code to a link, an email, location, phone, SMS, and even other messaging programs like WhatsApp, Skype, Zoom, and even a QR code to a Wi-Fi, V-card, event, PayPal, and even Bitcoin. There are a ton of options for making QR codes for all these different things. For now though, let's make something simple and create a QR code that will link to our YouTube account. So simply choose link and paste the link URL on the URL option here. Feel free to choose different colors, designs, and logos and frames as you wish. Once you're happy with your QR code, go ahead and save it and download this image to your computer. Now, we want to join the Discord server for this Quick QR program. Simply click Join Beta Now to get an invite to their Discord server. Just follow the usual settings and usual ways to join a Discord server, and we're going to go straight into the Paste Bin text channel. From here, feel free to upload the QR code that we made from their website. We'll need to do this since we're going to be using the picture URL after uploading. So click on the image and make sure to copy the image URL address. Then we're going to go to one of these Pixel ML bot channels on the left-hand side. Then the prompt to generate an image QR code is to type /generate. For QR pattern, I like choosing S1. Then pick any prompt you wish to generate an image from. Then on the URL, that's where we're going to paste the image URL of the QR code that we uploaded. Simply press enter, and there you go. You now have a QR image from the QR code that we uploaded with a prompt that we chose in a style that we as well also chose. And that's really all there is to creating your own custom QR image. If you have any questions or inquiries with these steps that I've shown you in this video, feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to like this video if you feel like you learned something new. And as always, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thanks so much for watching again, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.